video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to respray paint your mags on a budget. As you can see, these mags are badly curb brushed and they have not been taken care of. So let's begin the video. So these are the equipment you need. You would need some Lacquer Thinners, you will need spray paint, a flathead screwdriver, a bucket, a brush, a couple of microfiber towels or whatever other type of towels, and your favorite degreaser and mag cleaner. For the towels, you'll need one towel that you don't mind getting dirty and 2 microfiber towels. You're going to see why we need 2 microfiber towels in the video. The degreaser I am going to be using is from Mitchell, very clean. They do very good products. You should definitely go check them out. They do all types of cleaners, engine bay cleaners, everything you can dream for. So the first step is to take your hose pipe and just water your mags to remove all dirt and grime. Now you'd want to take your mag wheel cleaner and dilute it with the water. Follow the directions of the cleaner. Before you start degreasing the mags, you need to remove your wheel badge. Try not to damage it with the flathead screwdriver. The next step is to take your towel that you don't mind getting dirty and start degreasing it. You would then want to take your brush to remove any loose spray paint or anything that you might have missed. Then you would take your hose pipe and just spray it down. Repeat the process on all of your mags. After you have repeated the process on all of your mags, start by drying them. Or you can just go and eat lunch or whatever and come back and they'll be all nice and dry. So you can choose. You would then want to move your car to the place where you're going to be spray painting it. You would then want to take your spray paint and start with the first coat. The first coat always has to be the lightest coat. Don't worry if you haven't spray painted some parts because you're going to do that at the second coat. on all the other mags. If you have gotten some spray paint on your brakes or anywhere in your car, don't stress, you can easily remove it by taking some thinners. To get the best results, I would recommend to remove the mags from the car. As you see, the first coat looks so good, so now we're going to want to go with the second coat. The second coat will be with medium strength, not like very wet or whatever, just like medium. Just remember, there is no time limit. The longer you take, the better the outcome is. So now you would want to spray it nice and heavy for the last coat. Repeat this step on all of the other To get the best results, I would recommend to either move back or move forward the car so you can see the places you have missed. As you see, I have missed a spot over there, so I'm just going to cover it up with some spray paint. Now for the last step, you move the car back to the place where you started. If you sprayed some spray paint on your tires, don't stress, you will just take some thinners and wipe it off. Repeat the step on all the other mags. Now for the final step, you just put back your badge on the car. And this is the end result. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I would really appreciate it if you smash the like button. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. I will see you at my next video. Goodbye.